Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the maximum upload file size issue on WordPress if you're running Whogohost server. So let's say you want to install a plugin that is more than 6 MB, more than 2 MB, like 6 MB, 10 MB, or a theme that is like 20 MB. By default, Whogohost not allow you to do that because they have a limit of 2 MB upload size. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to fix that issue. And just to confirm that we have this issue on the website where we're running currently. So I'll go to media, click on add new. You can see we have maximum upload file size of 2 MB. Now to fix this issue, you log into your cPanel. And for me, I'll just do that from my Whogohost dashboard. Click on save, logging into the dashboard, click on services. Click on the active service you want to make this change. So I'll log into cPanel. Scroll down to one-click login. Click on cPanel. All right. The next thing you're going to do is scroll down till you get to software. Now, you might see a different theme from what I'm working on right now, because from time to time, Whogohost changes their cPanel theme, but it's still the same process. So no matter how the cPanel dashboard looks. So you come to software, click on select PHP version. So the first thing I'm going to do is, by default, right, the PHP version they have or that is activated, it's 5.6. So I would advise, in short, it's very important if you're running WordPress to change it to at least 7.4. Right? You can use 8, you can use 8.4, 8.1, but I advise you, if you're running WordPress, change it to 7.4. So now click on set as current. So now, once you're done, go to options. Now, the first thing to fix this issue, the particular issue of 2 MB, you just follow the settings I'm going to change. Now, the first thing I'm going to change is change the upload max file size to 128. You can see. Let's wait for it. Automatically it saves the changes. So change the post max size to 128. But you can change, you can use 256, you can use 512. The same thing with the post max size. You see it. So then another thing you can change is the memory limit. I think this is fine. 128 MB is fine. So the M at the back of all this is MB. Then one important thing to also change is the max execution time, especially if you're running Elementor. If you don't change this, sometimes your Elementor won't load properly. So I'll change this to 300. Right. So once I'm done, just click outside the box. So just outside it. So automatically you're going to save the changes. So now let's now confirm if this has been fixed. So let me refresh. Let me click on add new. So you can see maximum upload file size is 128. So that's how to fix the upload max file issue on Whogohost if you're running WordPress. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.